Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So, with that, I think we move on to our live trading. Okay, the key data that is out, I think just now the data is out. Canadian CPI month on month forecast was 0.1, market actual was 0.1, and the median CPI year on year forecast was 2.5 and actual was 2.7. And also from the US, we had a Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was expected, forecast was negative 1.9, but came out to be better than expected. Okay, so now with that, I think we move on to our live trades. Okay, the, from today, I think we are going to do live trades, and what we are planning to do is we want to trade together, and at the same time we will just see how we can utilize the time and make money. Okay, and the main focus, I mean the main focus would be we would be trying to trade on gold, dollar, yen, euro, and the pound. Okay, and when the 10:30, okay, when the Nasdaq comes in, of course we don't have to wait till the open. We can also try to do Nasdaq and Dow Jones or S&P, either one. Okay, so let's move on to see the trades that we can trade now. Okay, as of now, if you look into this, dollar yen shows a bit of weakness, and gold okay, gold there is some strength, and the critical high is 2919. Okay, critical high for 360 is 2919, and dollar yen, okay, this is showing some weakness. So this is 15125 is the critical low. Okay, so with that, I think we try to do for dollar yen and gold. Let me see. Okay, so the key thing we have to take note is okay, the dollar, the gold is trading at 2917. Okay, and this is trading at above the daily RR2, which is 2914 half. So we should be looking to sell. Okay, we should be looking to sell near 2920 or 292427 level. Okay, but of course we need to see how we can trade this. So if we can sell, I think the current day high is 19. This is just $2 away from the low, I'm sorry, from the high, and we should see the 2914 break to weakness to be seen. Otherwise, we should see the price moving higher. So let's see the chart, and let's start to trade this. Okay, so here if you look into the trend on the daily, okay, this is it's an extension of yesterday's high. So the high can be either 2918 or 2925. Okay, 2925. So now if we look into the current opening, okay, this is trading within the previous range, and let's say we look into the 15-minute. Okay, right now this market is showing uh, a range. So chances are okay, our comfortable level of sell should be 2925. Okay, comfortable level of sell should be 2925 or 27, 2627. So as of now, we still feel the the high is yet to be seen. Okay, the high is yet to be seen. So what we will do is, we can't go for a market now because we are expecting the price to go higher. So there's two ways which we can trade this. One is try to sell at 2925 or 26, and the other one is try to sell on the break. Okay, on the break of this low. So these are the two two ways which you can trade this. Okay, so now we are looking in a 1 minute chart. So we'll see, okay, what we can do. We try to sell at 2920 20 half or 21. Okay, put a stop at 2 2927. Okay, just now we saw about 27, so it's 20 half, and 7 is about $6 risk. Okay, $6, $6.5 risk. Okay, so we can do, what we are going to do is this is going to be a momentum trade. Okay, we are trying to sell 2920 half, stop at 27. Okay, TP, if this is the high, then we should see the price going towards 2908. Okay, 08 or 2909. Let me double check that. Yeah, about 2908. So this is, we are looking at about $12 move. Okay, and this one, the expiry, since we are trying to do a market, so we'll just give about 2 hours. Then what we can do is, if we got to stay close attention, and 2914 breaks, 2914 if breaks, then we should see the price moving lower towards 2908. So what we can do, we can put in another order. Stop sell, $2914. Okay, and this one we will put a stop above the high, the current high, and this one also 2908. So this is about $6 we are looking at, and this is also, we will put maybe another 1.5 hours. Then what is our plan? Okay, I'm going to discuss with you in detail, so then we can see how we can go about this trade. Okay, so the next trade is going to be dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, Okay, right now I think this market is like moving lower, uh, and let's see the system. Okay, let's go for a sell at this one market. Okay, this one we'll try to go for a sell at a market, and stop above either 10, 10 half, that means 152 or 152 15 or 152.30. Then the take profit, okay, either we can exit. If you're a conservative trader, try to exit at 151.30 or lower. Okay, so let's put in this trade. So we are going to trade selling at 151.70. Okay, try to sell it at 151.70. Okay, let me see the target. Okay, I think we'll put as 30. Okay, 151.70, stop at 152.20, TP at 151.30. Okay, half lot, and this is until 10:30. That means we'll try to enter at market. That means or market or 70. Okay, let me put in this trade as well. Okay, let me put on my side. Okay, then we are going to put in another second entry trade. Okay, the second entry trade would be trying to sell at 152. Okay, 152, and this one I think we can go for one lot. Dollar yen selling at 152. Okay, this one stop at 40, and this one I think we can afford to exit slightly higher. Okay, which is 151.50. Okay, and this one is one lot, and this one we will give until the next time belt. Okay, so one we are trying to enter at market, another one we are putting a buffer trade. Okay, which is slightly higher, but that is one lot. Okay, this is how I want to trade. Okay, for those of you who are coming, okay, I just want to tell you the ground rules. After we take the trade, I think I'll tell you the ground rules and how we can go about it. Okay, so the gold also I think you can put in. Let me put in my side. I also want to put in, I think the gold most likely would get filled. Okay, so the gold we are also trying to enter, and dollar yen we are also trying to enter at market. I think market or near this market. Okay, I put in at 70, so I'm also taking the trade. So let's see how this thing comes about. Okay, so now next one, let me see. I think any other, just let me check, then after that I'll tell you the ground rules first. Okay, the euro dollar, okay, euro dollar is coming off. So I think euro yen might be a good bet as well. Okay, so since we are doing yen, euro yen, okay, let's look into that. We'll just take 3 trades first, then after that we would try to go. Okay, the euro yen okay, now is breaking the previous low. Okay, I think the risk is about $40. Okay, risk is about $40. Okay, let me just check the system. Okay, so the euro yen try to sell at 50. Okay, 50, stop at 90, and TP I think we can go for an extension towards 5790. Okay, try to sell 5790, but actually it says 5820. There is a strong support. Okay, so what we will do, yeah, 5820. Okay, you sell one lot at 5850. Okay, just half lot, sorry, half lot, 50 or 55. I think we'll put it as 55. Okay, 5855, selling 5855, stop at 90, and TP will put it as 25. So this is only 30 pips, half lot, and this is only until 10:30. Okay, then we'll give you one more order for that. Okay, we'll put one more order for that. I think if you see 55, I think you can go for the trade. Okay, right now it's 53, 5853. Okay, then we need to enter one more trade as well. Okay, for I think the gold is got filled. Okay, let me see my side. Yeah, the gold is filled. Okay, gold is filled, and dollar yen is yet to be filled, and euro yen is also yet to be filled. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the ground rules. Then I'm going to say how we can going to manage this trade. So we'll just, for those people who come in, just come in. We're trying to sell euro at 55. That means just 1-2 pips away from the market. Gold we have already shorted. Dollar yen also we are trying to sell at 15170. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you how we are going to do things, so at least you can get used to the system, and we'll try to be regularly. Okay, first thing, okay, do take note that you got to, first of all, you need to identify yourself. Okay, what kind of trader you belong to. Okay, since while we are waiting, let me see. Since the gold we have already got entry, we will try to enter the stop sell. The stop sell, 16. Okay, never mind. We don't be in a hurry. Let's see whether this market is turning. Then after that, we can go on for an add-on trade. But as of now, I think order is filled at 20 half, because the high is about 21 something. So now we are waiting for this market to turn, then we can go for one more trade. Okay, now I'm just going to tell you the ground rules again. First of all, you need to ask yourself what kind of trader you belong to. Okay, whether are you a conservative trader or aggressive trader. Okay, conservative trader meaning you don't take a risk unnecessarily, and you only go for a trade that is suitable and with low risk. Okay, now another thing is sometimes when we give like two, three trades, so you may want to enter only one trade, not all the trades, because this is also a conservative trader's way of doing things. And the conservative traders usually go for high probability trade setup. That means, like for instance, just now we gave a stop sell orders. Okay, normally you don't take conservative traders, they don't take the stop sell, stop buy orders. So they are very conservative, so they don't want to go for this. Aggressive traders, you can go for either one. So, or both. So you got to call yourself what kind of trader you belong to and how do you want to go about and do things. Okay. So now the next thing is uh, aggressive traders are risk takers. Conservative traders, conservative traders, they don't take risk unnecessarily. And the beauty is sometimes aggressive traders they will try to get all or seize all kinds of opportunities, but conservative traders may miss opportunities or may miss the good move when you start negotiating with the market to get the best entry. So these are the pros and cons, and you need to identify yourself. Okay, so maybe what we can do, I want to make things more attractive and more interesting. Okay, I want you to type on the chat and tell me just whether you are a conservative or aggressive. So if you're conservative, just put C. If you're aggressive, then you just type A. Okay, please try to communicate, so at least we can make the session interesting, we can make the session useful, and also we can learn things, and we can make ourselves a better trader. So I want you to just type, if you're a conservative trader, just type C. Then if you're an aggressive trader, then you type A. Just try to communicate with me. Okay, now the next thing is, okay, how we are going to do things. Okay, usually when we are going for live trades, we don't really waste time. Okay, meaning, okay, every time when we come into the session, we will be taking trades. Okay, for sure we will be definitely taking trades. And also I would be guiding you to see whether either the trades would be definitely coming in, but whether we are making money or losing money during the session, that might make a difference. So you got to see, and then you got to strictly follow the rules, so at least you don't end up in the wrong side or the wrong direction. Okay, so now next thing is, okay, we usually get three types of entries. First is we'll try to go near the market, that's one. Second is we'll try to go for one more entry, which is a comfortable position. I wouldn't say the best entry position, but a comfortable position. Then we might go for a add-on, which is usually a stop buy and stop sell entry. Okay, so right now I think we have three orders filled. Okay, the dollar yen is filled, euro yen is filled, and gold is filled. So now yeah, okay, thank you for responding. Okay, I got one person responding, so I want all of you to respond, please, so at least we can make the things interesting, and we can go and learn new things. Okay, now the next thing is we need to enter. Yeah, so we will be giving three types of entries. One is first entry, which is called near the market, and usually we'll take an entry. So the next one is we will try to enter a slightly better levels than the market condition. So that would be the next entry, and we'll go for an add-on entry. Add-on entry is usually a stop buy and stop sell order. So how we are going to do things is, when one order is filled, okay, we'll try to take the trade, we'll try to close with the profit, and we'll try to exit with the profit. But of course, sometimes 2 orders may get filled, sometimes 3 orders may get filled. And what I need you to do is the moment once the second entry is filled, the first entry stop has to be revised. Okay, I'm going to teach you how it's done, especially if add-on entry get filled, then it's easy for the first entry stop loss to be revised. But if let's say your first entry is filled, then you get your second entry filled, then you got to closely monitor. Then we got to come up with a plan, in the event if let's say we get stopped out. Okay, what would be our plan and how we can go about and doing things. Okay, so this is how we would be doing, and we will be doing for at least 2 hours. Okay, at least for 2 hours or 2.5 hours. So what I would want you to do is try to pay attention, try to enjoy the session, try to learn new things, and try to communicate and try to make money. That's what our ultimate goal. Okay, now since now we have given that gold, we have a first entry field and we have an add-on entry, so now we need to give a second entry, and euro yen also we need to give a second entry. Okay, so let's work on that. Okay, now euro yen, okay, is already starting to move lower. Okay, so now our second entry for euro yen should be below 58.85 or 59.10. Okay, 59.10. Okay, so now where can we buy, where can we sell? We most likely we try to sell near 80 or 70 75, I think should be a comfortable level. So we'll try to sell at 70 or 75 or 80, and put a stop above 920, and TP is again the same level. Okay, I think our euro yen is already making 15 pips. We are already in the money. So now we will try to go for another trade, which is going to be selling at 158.80, stop at 159.20 above the current day high, and TP again we'll put it as about 20-25, and this one will go for one lot, and this is until the next time belt. Okay, that means until the end of the next time belt. So we have another entry for euro yen. So now we need to go for another entry for the gold. Okay, gold, remember our stop loss was 27. Okay, so that means we should be trying to take entry somewhere below before 27. Okay, then only it makes sense. Okay, so now 27. So if we go for another entry, we will try to enter at 24. Okay, 24 with the stop above 29. Okay, 29. Let me see. 27. Yeah, somewhere about 29. Okay, so that is a $5 risk, and for that one we should be exiting at 2918. Okay, 18, or lower, but that is going to be a bit risky. But what we will do is we will try to sell. Okay, this one we'll try to sell at 24. No, instead of 24, we'll put it as 26. So we are not desperate to trade that. 26, we'll put it as 29 half, and we'll put it as 2918, and this one will go for one lot. Okay, so you see how we are doing things. So when we get a better entry level, then we will try to increase the lot size. And always remember, we got to and this one we'll put it as half an hour. Then later, before we end the session, if we need to change the time, then we may do so. Okay, so now I think we are good to go. Okay, we have 3 orders filled, and we also put a second entry for all the 3. Okay, all the 3 we have. And gold, we are also have a add-on entry, okay, which is a stop sell only for gold and not for the others. Okay, so now let's see the gold one more time and see whether we want to increase the stop sell. Okay, so now based on this chart, we can raise our stop sell to 17 instead of 14. Okay, if let's say the market start to turn down from here, we should get that 17 filled with a stop above 22, and we will go for a add-on trade. Okay, let's put that trade again. Okay, I also need to key in on my side. Okay, I'll give you the signals first, then I'll go on to key in my side. Okay, gold, sorry, this is a revision. Okay, revision. So the stop sell, we are now going to raise it to 17. Okay, stop at 22, and TP, I think we will still maintain it as 2908. Okay, and this is a half lot. Reason being is because this is a stop sell, so this is going to be a add-on entry, and we do it. Okay, let me put in that trade as well. Okay, let me key in that. Okay, now we are going to go for the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P. Okay, these 3, because that one, I think the main market opens in another half an hour time. So we are also going to, so what we are going to do is maximum at one go. We will try to enter between 3, 4 or max 5. Okay, not more than 5 trades, and the entries can be more than 1, 2. So at least we can put in the trades and we manage it. Okay, so now let's look at to the chart and let's see whether we are going to go for Dow Jones, Nasdaq, or S&P. Okay, looking at the okay, the Dow Jones. Okay, looks like market have topped and looking for a sell, and this one should come off. Okay, S&P okay, not yet turned yet. Okay, this is not yet turned yet, and Nasdaq also yet to be turned. Okay, so most likely we might get a spike up, then eventually this market can turn down. So when we trade this now Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and this, we always also try to look into the volume, okay, because volumes usually gives you a good trade. Okay, now Dow Jones will try to sell at 44,700. We will try to go for Dow Jones because this is already given a turn, and we need to know the boundary. Remember, the trend and the boundary is needed. So here on this note, if the low were to break 625 and 590, then we should see the price heading towards 5 half or 490. Okay, let me also look into my system, so at least I can get a very clear view. So what I want you to do, we will try to go for a target of 5 half. Okay, we'll go for a first entry on Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we are looking at March contract. Is there anyone in this room who already been trading into Dow Jones? Please respond to my question so at least I know more about you. Okay, so we'll try to sell at 44.10, 44.710, and stop loss should be above about 805. Okay, I'm putting a very, actually we can put a very tight stop at 780, but I would want to put a slightly higher. Okay, so then our TP should be at 44 5 half. Okay, and this is half lot, and this is until 1 hour. Okay, then I'll be giving you one more entry for this. Okay, try to sell at 710. Okay, let me also put in this trade. Okay, that is Dow Jones is half lot. Okay, the Dow Jones, what I see from the system, we should be looking to sell near below, okay, below 685 or 690. Weakness is expected. Okay, weakness is expected, and we can see the price heading towards 620 and 455. Okay, 455. So I think this trade should be a good trade to look at. But the only thing is, I think we should have entered slightly earlier. Okay, slightly earlier. If you feel you want to enter the market or 80, 85, you feel you don't want to miss it, I think you can go ahead, because this is looks like this already started move. So I'm trying to sell one at 680. Okay, I'm trying to sell at 680. So if you see the chart, this is already started turning and is already coming off. So I think 680 is also worth giving a try. Okay, don't miss this trade, because 680 should be considering well. Okay, let me see the time left. 22:15. Yeah. So maybe I want to reduce my 710. Okay, 710 to 680. So now since I'm entering at a earlier level, so I reduce my stop to 785, and TP is still 550 or 560. So that means about, I'm looking at 120 pips target with about 100 pips, because we need to do another entry, okay, which is slightly higher level. Okay, did anyone manage to enter? I put 680, I still can't get it. So far the trades we are we have opened is we have opened dollar yen, euro yen, and gold. Okay, all half lot, and we are trying to enter a better sell at 152 on the dollar yen, euro yen at 80, and gold at 26. Okay, and the Dow Jones we are trying to sell at 680, and this indices. Okay, I just want to tell you, I don't play a fool with this indices. So if you feel you just want to take one trade, then stick to one trade because this is a high margin. Okay, so now the next one I want to do is I want to go for one lot, sell at 740. Okay, 44 740, 805, and this one is I think I will still stick to my target as 565. Okay, this is one lot, and this is also again we'll put it until 11. Okay, so now we have 3 trades on hand. So the Dow Jones is trading at 44 670. Okay, it's trading at 670. I think most likely it should get filled. That 80 should get filled soon. Okay, gold is yet to turn down because I think it's still pushing higher. So we got to see whether the gold I think this is yet to reverse. So maybe most likely it may go up to 24 or 26. Okay, what we are seeing now is divergence, and it may even go up to 30 31, but there is a stiff resistance at 23 half and 27 half. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we have 3 trades on open now, and all are still I think losing money, about few cents, few pips. So this is yet to make a turn. So we'll just wait. So while we are waiting, can I get an answer from you guys? Please. If you are a conservative trader, you just type as A. Sorry, conservative as C, and aggressive then you type as A. So I only got one response. So if you can respond and to my questions and all, I think we can learn a lot of things. And for those of you who come in late or who coming in late, okay, this is what I just want to tell you. We are doing live trades, and we are going to guide you how we are going to manage the trade until this trade is taken and closed. Okay, closed. So if we are not able to close within the specific time, then of course we will tell you, okay, this is what we are planning to do. Then after that, you just follow the instructions and you keep going. Okay. So right now, for those of you who came in late, we have three open positions right now. Sell euro yen at 15855, and this is half lot. Dollar yen we sold at 15170. This is also half lot, and we have sold gold at 2920 half. Okay, this is half lot, and we're trying to sell Dow Jones March contract. Okay, half at 44,680. Okay, right now I think it's trading at 680. So let me see whether my order is filled. Yeah, okay. The 680 is filled. Okay, my side is also filled. So this order is also filled. We are also taking live trades, huh? So I'm just letting you know. Okay. So we have four open trades, and we are trying to go for an add-on trade for gold at 17. Okay, stop sell. So right now the high is 22. Okay, hopefully that 17 is also filled. Okay, the Dow Jones is coming off. It's coming off at 44,657. This is about, okay, I got two A's, one C. Okay, how about the others? Okay, if I repeat, if you are conservative trader, then you type as C. If you are an aggressive trader, you just type as A. Okay, so aggressive meaning you're prepared to take risks, you're prepared to go for more trades, meaning like stop sell, stop buy, any opportunity you don't want to miss and you want to go about the trades. So that is where you call yourself an aggressive trader. So if you are, because the reason why I want to know is, okay, if I get more aggressive traders, then I might give more trades for the aggressive traders. So that means, I'll tell you, okay, this trade you can take and this trade, you can't take. So at least, you know what is to be done. Okay, can I get answers from the other people who have just joined in? Okay, just type, if you are aggressive trader, put it as A. If you are a conservative, put it as C. Okay, now the gold I think is coming off. I think we are already making money on the gold, and the Dow Jones also we are making some money. It's about 20-25 pips. So dollar yen is yet to turn. So let's see. So the most likely the stop sell might get triggered as well. Okay, the stop sell, I think most likely it will get triggered. Okay, so how about the others? I think you still haven't responded to that question. Okay, so let's see the gold. See, once it breaks 17 half, we should confirm the high. Okay, we should confirm that the high is seen, then we should see the price moving lower. But if, let's say, it doesn't happen, if it goes up, then chances are it may go up towards 26, 27, then only should turn. Okay. You have 10 more minutes for the main markets to come. Okay, Dow Jones is already started coming off. Huh? Dow Jones is now making about 35 pips. Okay, right now you see Dow Jones. Did anyone manage to enter Dow Jones? You see, if you're not responding, then I don't have to talk much about that market. So if you say at least then at least I can guide you. I mean, you're not going to pay us your profits. Okay, Dow Jones, I think we have entered a good entry point. Right now, this is already making 50 pips. We just have to see whether this low breaks that 590. So if this 590 breaks, then I think we should see 550, of a comfortable target. So let's see how this thing happens. Okay. So the Dow Jones is already making about 50 pips. So now I want to reduce the stop to 700. Okay, early on I put it as 785. So now I lower it to 715. Okay, so that becomes a risk free or a reduced risk trade for me. Okay, good. Okay, I had one person responding. Okay, this one we'll put it as 715 the stop. Okay, try to reduce the stop to 715, and we would give another 8 more minutes because wait for the main market to come in. The main market will come at uh, another 8 minutes, and that's where you see all the huge volume coming into play. Okay, gold is going against. Okay, gold is right now is 22, and Dow Jones we are making money. Uh, Let me see. Dollar yen is flat. Euro yen is also flat. Okay, and you just have to see. We have 7 more minutes for the main markets to come in. Okay, just hold on to the screen. I just want to grab some water. Is it only one person managed to enter the Dow, or anyone anymore? Only one person. You see, if you don't respond, then I think I won't be discussing more markets. So if you can have this habit of responding, that would be good. At least we are having a conversation and we are saying. Okay, so now the Dow Jones we got to wait for that 620 to break and 6005, which is your current day low. If these two levels break, then we should see the price moving lower. Otherwise, we'll just close the thing, and we can still hold the trade. We are not in a hurry to close the trade. And always remember, when the market is responding to our expectations, that means, like, you expect the market to come off and the market is responding, then you just give some time to get the maximum from the market. That should be the way. Okay, we have to see whether the Dow Jones breaks that 605 and 590. So once it breaks this level, okay, we have 5 more minutes for this weakness to continue. So we have 5 more minutes. I think it will test this 20 level, I think, which is already testing. So let's see how far it can move. Okay, so I have 2% who have entered at 680. Okay, it's good. At least you are in the money. So now it's testing the low. So we have 4 more minutes, and the new sorry the main session will be coming in. Okay, Dow. We will just see when the market opens. See whether the 590, 605 and 590 are the key levels to pay attention. Once this two level breaks, then I think we should see the price moving lower. Okay, for those of you who come in late, I repeat, we have right now four open trades. Okay, we shorted euro yen at 15855. We shorted dollar yen at 15170. We shorted gold at 2920 half, and we shorted Dow Jones at 680. Okay, then of course we have consecutive trades that are still working. We have 3 more minutes. I think it's testing the low. So let's see how does it respond. I think the Nasdaq and S&P is also started turning down. Huh? Okay, Dow is breaking, testing the 600, 595. Okay, remember I told you that 590 is the key level to pay attention. So if it breaks, then we should see the price moving lower. And the problem is now the main market is going to come in a minute time. So in 1 minute we will be seeing the main market coming in play. Okay, for those of you who are coming in late, okay, this is what we have taken: four trades: shorted gold, shorted dollar yen, shorted euro yen, and shorted Dow March contract. Okay, 1 more minute for the main market to come into play. So most likely when the market comes into play, we might see a pullback, or it may get the price moving lower, then eventually we'll get a pullback. So let's see what happens. Okay, now the 590 is tested. Okay, now looks like 570 Okay, we will see whether that 5 this is where the problem is. Okay, now the new market comes into play. We should see the price. I think we missed by 20 pips. Okay, so now can we close our Dow at 600? Okay, try to close at 600 or better. Then we will do a re-entry. Okay, try to close at 600. Take a profit. Or better also can, so if you feel, if you can close at better, it's fine. Okay, for 590, 585, huh? Okay, let's see, I can get 585. Did you manage to close? I think it's lower. Okay, 570. I think our price target would have reached. Okay, anyway, it's already reached our price target, but I think we closed at, it's going even lower. It's going even lower, 520. Okay, anyway, we made 100 tips, 100 pips for the first trade. Okay, now we'll try to look for a re-entry. Okay, gold still is being stubborn, still is being stubborn. So this Dow Jones trade is a profitable trade. Okay, we have taken, so we'll try to look for a re-entry. Okay, I'm going to give you a re-entry now. Okay, so this one we have made. Okay, let's see the next trade. Okay, the gold, we are trying to see the next order get filled. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's move on to see the Dow. Okay, the Dow, I want to wholesale for today, and my re-entry I'm looking at somewhere near 630 and 670. Okay, so 630, 670, that should be my selling level. So now we already made this $100, sorry, 100 pips profit. So we'll try to re-enter. Okay, re-enter, and let me see. You can see the chart. Okay, so I don't see the price going above 610. This is going to be your current high. So if 610 breaks, we should see 670. Okay, 670, and stop at 745 and 785. Okay, so now how I'm going to trade this again. Okay, you got it at 560. Okay, good luck. Okay, good luck. I think okay, that's job done for this thing. Okay, now we are going to do a re-entry for Dow. Okay, we are going to do a re-entry for Dow. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to sell half lot. Okay, we had a sell at 740 early on. Okay, so that one we are trying to bring it down to 670. Okay, 670, and for this the stop we try to put at 47. Just now was I said is 45. Okay, 745. Okay, no, 7. The earlier one was 760. 760 is, then it's 785. 785. So then it becomes 110 pips risk. So now I want to reduce this to half lot again, and my TP now I want to lower it to 40, 44.85, 485, sorry, 485. Okay, this one I would want to give for until another 1.5 hours for this trade. Okay, then I want to go for another trade selling at 610. Sorry, this is Dow Jones. Okay, selling at 44,610, stop at 65. Just now was sorry, 670, right? So 685, 685, and this one again will try to exit at 44505. So this is another 100 pips move I'm looking for, and this is until 11 o'clock or 11:30. Okay, maybe we'll just give another half an hour more. Okay, so we are trying to enter two trades for Dow Jones. One is sell at 610, stop at 685. Another one at sell at 670, stop at 785, and we have two different exit, and also this is also a half lot. Okay, and our euro yen. Okay, our gold is still not turned yet. Okay, because we felt that this market would be turning at 20, half 21, but still showing its resilience, and it's still showing this. So then dollar yen also I think is still there. Okay, so now since we have reduced to 3, we may want to see the uh, actually I'm quite interested in trading Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq and S&P. Okay, let's see. Anyone in this room trades Nasdaq? Okay, the Nasdaq is showing us that this market. Okay, hold on. I need to lock in some things. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to lock in my profit. Okay, let me show you. It's not closing. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. 760. Okay, and yeah, actually, I mean, I would want to sell Nasdaq at 270, 270. Stop at 2. Okay, I want to sell one at 270, another one at 300. The high is 320. So about 300. Okay, this two. Okay, then one more. The gold is looking like, okay, it's going to turn. Okay, so the gold, let me see. This is 11, 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more. I think there is a possibility. There's a possibility that the gold may have seen. Okay, but I think it's still early. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait. And I remember we have a stop sell at 17. So that one, I think we can raise it to 21. Okay, 21. So now the gold, we have a stop sell at 17. So now that one we are going to raise it to 21. You see how this is how we should be playing the game. So we just sit in front of the screen, just do the adjustment, and just move with the flow. And this one, I'll try to extend it to next time belt. Okay, 610. You mean the Dow Jones? Yeah, okay, order is filled. Yeah, I didn't know. Okay. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, that was fast. Okay, 610 order is filled, the Dow Jones. I think that is also we are making money now. We are making about 40 pips. We are making about 60 pips. Okay, thanks for telling me that. Okay, let me. Okay, I didn't put in on my side. Okay, just give me a minute, because I have some other positions. I'm trying to close it. 760. Okay, the Dow Jones 610. You managed to get it. Right now, this is making about already making about 70 pips. Okay, so let's see. Let's not see gold, because since this gold is not giving. Okay, so the 610, I think I want to close it at 540. Okay, try to close it. Okay, make a profit. Book the profit first. Okay, let's move in and book the profit at 540. Yeah, so we have given at 570. Lower it, lower the stop, and close it at 540. Okay, try to close at 540 or 550. Lock in the profit. Okay, close the trade. Okay, then we will do a re-entry again. Okay, let me know once the profit is taken, then we will do a re-entry again. Okay, so let me see my Nasdaq. Okay, I want to close at 35. 35, so put at 160. Okay, 540, I think profit book, right? I think this one is profit is booked. I think right now, yeah, it's already booked. Nasdaq is breaking the low. So this is profit is booked again. Okay, now once you take this profit again, put in the order again. Okay, put in again at 610. Okay, put back the same order. Okay, we are going to do the Dow again. 610 again. Okay, sorry, what was the thing? Okay, 44, 610, 685, same price. Then we'll put it as 520, yeah, 520 something, 520 or 530. Okay, this one again we'll put until 12 o'clock. Okay, why you managed to not book that 40, is that? Okay, doesn't matter. I think if you see, it's all your individual thing. Yeah. Okay, let me lock by Nasdaq profit. Just give me a minute. 205. Okay, I've closed my Nasdaq. Okay, I think now I can do a re-entry again. Okay. Okay, the gold is yet to turn. Gold is yet to turn. Dollar yen and euro yen is also. You see, this is what happens. You see, now you see, you see for yourself the currencies are uh, so slow, but this one is moving. Okay, okay, the Dow Jones. Okay, try to enter at one at 580. Okay, if you want to sell, you sell at 580 as well. The 610 we can still work, but if you are aggressive trader, you try to sell at 580. So I got it at 85. So we will wait. We will wait for, I think this one, I think we have to give some time for this thing to break. Okay. So here, let me see, let me show you the chart. So for the next 15 minutes, okay, right now this is started. So the next 15 minute, I think we should see 610 or extension, which is 655. So either one of these levels should get filled, and let's wait, because as long as the price is below 670, I'm still going to hold a sell. Okay, above 670 is where we might see some strength coming in. Okay, right now this market is trading at 605. Okay, I'm not sure whether you managed to enter at 610 again. Okay, so now did you manage to get filled? Anyone managed to get filled at 610? Okay, I sold at 605. Wait. Okay, 605. Yeah, 605 is the high. So the 610 is still not filled yet. Okay, now it's filled. Okay, 610. Okay, we have, I think this is the third entry we are doing on Dow Jones. Okay, this one we would exit at 540. Okay, 540 or 530. So this is the third time we are doing this trade. So we are trying to sold at 610, 685. We have one more order at 670. And we are trying to close this. If you see, about 40, 50, 60 pips, you take a profit. Okay, just lock in. It's okay because this is still in a range. See now, we have done 3 rounds. We made like, even though it's half lot, we made 35, 47, 82, and right now I think it's coming off again. So you do like 2, 3 rounds. I think we have made about more than 1% on the Dow. Okay, 605. Okay, good. Okay, now the gold is still moving up, huh? Gold is still moving up. So I think gold is not in our favor. Okay, let's see whether this market is going to turn. Okay, this is okay. We have 10 more minutes of this strength on the gold. So I think our 26 should get filled. Okay, let me see. I also want to sell gold. Okay, so now we got to see because we still feel that this market can turn before 30. Okay, before 30 or 31. But of course, if it goes above that, then I think this is in a different. It should not go above 33, 34. Okay, so let's see what happens. Then we will see. And the dollar yen also, I think, is not giving a turn yet. Euro yen is also still quiet. So I think the only thing that helped us today is the Dow Jones. Okay, we managed to do 2 rounds, and the third one, we are just trying to wait. Okay, so for those of you who are we are just coming in. Okay, we are doing live trades, and we have entered Dow Jones. We booked profit twice, and we are holding euro yen, we are holding dollar yen, and gold. Okay, gold right now we are losing about $6, and we are trying to enter one more at 20. Where was it? I think I've gave one. Oh, I've not given a sell. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I thought I've gave a sell order. Okay, so if that's the case, then I think the gold has got stopped out. Okay, stopped out now at 2927. Okay, so now what I want to do, I don't think the strength will last longer. Okay, so if you get stopped out, you re-enter again. Okay, you re-enter again at 26. If you have not got stopped out, then you try to raise your stop by just $1. Okay, try to sell at 6.5 or better, and put a stop at 31.5. And this round it should exit before 2918. Okay, expiry until the next time belt. So just check whether you got stopped out. Okay, if you got stopped out, then do a re-entry again. If you have not, then uh, okay. So if you have stopped out, then you do a re-entry. If you have not, then you try to raise your stop by another $1 or $2. Okay, the Dow Jones I think is coming off again. It's 4455. Okay, we are making money on the Dow again, but the only thing is the gold and the currency are not in our favor. Okay, I want to lock in my Dow profit at again at 540. Yeah. Okay, this one also I want to book again at 540. So you book, then we'll try to do a re-entry again. Okay, gold is still holding. The Dow is at 540. Sorry, 555. Okay, 555, and let's see whether we are getting this profit taken. The gold, I think the strength should last for another 3 more minutes. Okay, we'll just see whether the market is giving a turn in 3 minutes. Okay, my Dow profit is taken. So I want to do a re-entry again. Okay, this is a fourth round we are going to do again. Okay, I got closed, and I'm going to do the same level again. Okay, 610. We'll try to sell again. Okay, for those of you who are coming in late, okay, now we are trying to sell Dow Jones 44 610, stop at 685, TP 540. Okay, 540. Okay, this is again, this is until the next 1 hour. Okay, only the gold is still refusing to turn. So we'll just give 2 more minutes, then we'll see whether the gold comes off after that. Okay, dollar yen is still stagnant. Euro yen is also not moving that much, and the gold we are losing money. Okay, gold we are losing money. Okay, I think the Dow, I think we made 3 times profit. I think this is more than enough to cover our gold losses. Let's give 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute, then we will see. Okay, the Dow is, I think, breaking the 510. Okay, 1 more minute, then we will see. The gold should, I think, should stable, but I'm not sure why the stability is still not coming. Okay, the Dow is already breaking the 44,500. Okay, if the gold doesn't turn from here, then I think we have to do a further projection. Okay, which is the next level I'm looking at is I don't think it can go up to 40, but let's see. Because right now I'm already seeing because this 26, 27 level is supposed to be a strong resistance because I don't see the reason why this is still showing strength. I think it should start to turn down from here. Okay, right now I think we are seeing some turning, but I think we are still too soon. Let me see. The max is, I think we should see 33. So we'll wait. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, now let's see. I think our gold is filled again. Okay, we'll just try one more round. Okay, one last time before we surrender on the gold. So right now, I think we have shorted gold 27. Early on, we got stopped out. So now we are trying to do a re-entry. And euro yen, I think we have shorted. Right now, we are losing about 11 pips. Dollar yen, we are losing about 7 pips. Okay, so this is the thing. And the next, we also have the other three on a different level. Okay, and we have a stop sell at 21. Huh? Okay, so let me reanalyze the thing before we log off for today. Okay, so now finally we'll discuss gold. Okay, now dollar yen. Okay, looking at this as of now, what we feel is okay. We don't see uh, much. I don't think we should see the strength coming more. Okay, we still have one more hour left. So what I would suggest is we would either close it at cost. Okay, close it at cost because this is still in a range on the 2 hours, and on the 6 hours this is creeping lower. Okay, it's creeping lower. So either for the next few hours, that means after the next time belt, either we should be seeing the price breaking this low going towards lower, or we should see this range continue, and tomorrow we should see the market turning. Okay, so what I would suggest is, okay, what I'm going to do is, okay, since I'm going to log off, okay, what I'm going to do is this 52 I leave it. So now the stop I want to lower it. Okay, since I'm logging off, I have to take some action. So instead of 5220, I'll reduce my stop to 5195. Okay, then this 30, either I leave at 30 or I will close at 70 or at 50. Any one of these three is possible. Okay, so you got to revise it, and you do it as accordingly what you feel. Okay. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, gold now is coming off. Okay, now let's see the gold finally. Okay, now the next thing is we are going to see euro yen. Okay, euro yen, what we feel the same scenario as dollar yen. Either this is going to be in a range, or we may see the price moving lower in the next time belt. Okay, and if I were to reduce, I just want to reduce my stop loss, and either I would try to close at cost, or uh, if I'm not monitoring, then I reduce it and uh, raise the reduce the stop loss. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, since we are going to log off, okay, euro yen, our stop loss was at 890. So now I want to reduce it to, I don't think I can reduce it much, okay, because 25 pips, and right now this is already about 30 pips. Okay, I think I just let this order work. Okay, just let this order work, and we will see what was the outcome. Okay, then uh, the gold. Okay, finally the gold. Okay, since I told you we already got stopped out. Okay, we have to be a bit careful on this. So the only thing I can see is 22. Okay, let me see on my system. If the gold doesn't turn in this time belt, okay, I give up. I give up. Okay, meaning I don't want to go for one more round. Okay, so unless we want to put a very high price, that would be another option. Okay, just give a luck to see. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so the next level I'm looking to sell is, I should see the price turning down here. Okay, if I see, then probably I should see the price turning. Otherwise, the next level to sell is at 40. Okay, because 40 is a very important level. So what we can do, uh, because since we got stopped out on this, we can go for one more last attempt. Okay, at 40. Okay, 40 is your previous high. Okay, 40. So if it really breaks, then we are in for the next big move to come on board. Okay, so now what we can do, we will try to sell at 2940, and if you are monitoring, okay, if you are monitoring, then we should see a stop sell at 24. Okay, 24, that should be your add-on trade, and this 24 we should exit before 18. Okay, there's only $6 move that is available. So now, how I can play this game? Okay, I'll go for there is a stop sell at 29.21. Okay, the one I want to raise it to 24 half, and stop I put it as 29 half, and TP this one I raise it to 18, and this is until the next time belt. Okay, next time belt. Yeah, I think I don't want to give any more on this. Then I can go for one more trade. Okay, this is a full lot. Okay, full lot. Try my luck. If it really shows some strength, then we will try to sell at 2940, 44 half. And if I sell at 40, my TP should be above 27 or 25. So we'll put it as 27. Okay, this is one lot. And this one I want to go until the next time bell, which is 3 a.m. Okay, so now we are trying to take back our losses. Okay, we are trying to take back not just one stopped out we got. So we are trying to sell a stop sell. That means go on an add-on trade. If we feel that this trade is turning, then we should see this order getting filled and TP getting filled. But if the strength still persists, then I think we let go of this trade. And even this, I think maybe I want to reduce my stop. Hold on. Yeah, maybe 30 half. 30 half, 31 half, $4. Okay, I just reduced the stop to 30 half. Okay, the rest all remains the same. Okay, so let's see how we get these results. Dollar yen, like as I said, you can decide to close at cost or wait for the next time belt. This is one. Euro yen is also, we can decide to close at cost or slightly lower. I'll let you decide. This is your own decision. So the only thing left is gold, which we have already stopped out. We are trying to do a re-entry. And now Dow Jones, I think we made a good profit of 70 plus roughly 5120 is about 1.2%. So this is what we have done this for today. So tomorrow onwards is going to be a similar situation. That means we'll be trading on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, gold, whichever gives us an opportunity. Okay. So thank you very much for coming. And once again, for those of you who are coming in first time, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, so at least you can get the regular updates, and you can see for yourself how we can trade with ease without emotions controlling at all times. Okay, then also you can register with us, our channel, our website precisetrader.com, to get regular updates and immediate changes as and when we do on our website. Okay, thank you. See you again tomorrow.